any knowledge from there.
But in the present time, it is not possible. We can see that there are many kinds of molestation cases are going on because they not feel secure in relationship.
You have a girlfriend, it's good, but you can't waste.
Our culture don't allow us to have a girlfriend. This is bad for our society, bad for us. But if we are mature, we can take this step for our personal profit. No, I can negotiate that. We can help us to study and go ahead.
How can she help you in study?
Yeah, of course, he can. Why he cannot? If we both have
Your parents allowed your
maturity,
girlfriend?
we can.
Your good name is Sham. You are Sham. Sham. I misinterpreted Sham then. Okay, it was a nice discussion, huh? It was a good one. And one thing I'll tell you, देखो हिंदी में जब अंग्रेजी में नहीं आता बात करने, तो let's talk in हिंदी थोड़ा थोड़ा ना. तो जब मैंने आपसे ये बोला, लोग मेरी भी कमजोरी है कि मैं हिंदी में ज्यादा देर नहीं बोल सकता. So जब मैंने आपसे ये बोला कि you need to talk about some casual topic, right? One thing I saw, everyone had a smile in his face. Everyone had a smile in his face, and then I knew it. This GD will become debate, and this became debate, right? Yeah. So I'll tell you one thing, guys. First of all, let me appreciate each one of you for one thing. Abhi, if I talk about the feedback, okay, you all have done a great job in your gesture. You understand gesture?
Yeah.
It was fantastic. Even aaj ke time pe, if I am asked to do that, I might not be able to do that. But you have done a great job in that piece. And I was literally looking at each one of you, that how are you going to behave in terms of your body language. Everyone did great. So good job in that. Huh? Second point, eye contact. Eye contact is another very, very important factor that one will look at. If I am, like right now I'm judging you guys, okay? So for me, eye contact is another and the big factor that you guys need to have. You did great in that as well. Few need to improve a bit, I'll tell you. Third is tone. Tone wise, you all did a great job, but I want to really appreciate your name, sir? Harsh. Can we clap for Harsh? And I'll tell you one thing, Harsh. I'll tell you one thing. While I say Harsh's tone was fantastic, Harsh has to pull it down. Bit. Don't pull it completely down. Don't pull it the way your name Aniket concluded. The moment Aniket concluded, Aniket की conclusion में जो सबसे last के 2-3 words थे, they went like बहुत ही smooth गए वो words आपके, ठीक है? Don't pull your tone to that level, but थोड़ा सा down करना है. Otherwise it was good, ठीक है? Next is good listener. Whenever you are having a group discussion, good listening is very, very important. If you're not able to listen to someone, you won't be able to contradict or add on to it. ठीक है? तो listening was amazing, but listening का मुझे एक और भी reason ये समझ आया कि you all had a mentality कि okay, Himanshu is judging me, he is looking at me, if somebody is talking, I need to listen. वो नहीं होना चाहिए. In place of Himanshu, there could be someone else. Okay? So you need also to focus that you are listening. While you are listening, you are nodding. Nobody was nodding. Only if Ritik is talking to Arpit, only Arpit is nodding. If Ritik is talking to, let's say, Shadab, only Shadab is nodding. Right? While it's Ritik's responsibility that he looks at everyone and everyone nods. जब आप nod करते हो, then it sounds or it looks कि आप सुन रहे हो. Right? So make sure आप बहुत ही ज़्यादा nodding का मतलब समझते हो ना? Right? बहुत ज़्यादा nodding भी नहीं. थोड़ा सा मतलब something like that. Even if Ritik is looking at you or not, होता क्या है, you can simply say if I'm talking to Amir, right? Why would you not? आप क्यों not करोगे if I'm talking to Amir? But then you can definitely, because you are involved in my conversation with Amir, right? You can definitely give your expression instead of being neutral, right? So nodding is important, but not by hands. If somebody is not talking to you or talking to you, you don't need to nod by hands, you don't need to nod by body, just need to nod by your neck. ठीक है? And nodding का एक और भी simple तरीका होता है smile. Give expression. Don't nod. Nodding करने की जरूरत ही नहीं, simply smile. Smile से पता चलता है कि you heard, right? You heard and you understood, and then this is your gesture, this is your expression. Okay, clear? So nodding. Another thing is leg shaking. Leg shaking आपका nervousness बताता है. I hope Amir must have told you. If you are shaking your legs, it shows you're nervous. ठीक है? I haven't seen anyone shaking the leg bit of you Balla, and only one leg. Yeah, that wala leg, that side wala leg ना, it was nodding a bit, which is fine. ठीक है? लेकिन this, as I said in the beginning, gesture wise you all were fantastic, but leg nod करना, leg shake करना shows your nervousness. Never shake your leg. You can definitely change the position of your legs. पोजीशन चेंजिंग मतलब ये नहीं कि वो वाला इधर रख दो इसको उधर रख दो, ऐसा ओके। आपके पैर जैसे यहाँ पे, आपका नाम आर्यन, आर्यन के जैसे पैर यहाँ पे हैं। अब अगर 10 मिनट का ग्रुप डिस्कशन है यार, डोंट बी रोबोट। आप रोबोट नहीं हो कि जैसे बैठे हो वैसे ही बैठे रहोगे। दैट आल्सो शोज कि आप बहुत ज्यादा सोफिस्टिकेटेड हो, राइट? इसीलिए मैंने आपको कैजुअल टॉपिक दिया था, जस्ट टू सी हाउ आर यू गोइंग टू टॉक। ठीक है? सो अगर आप 10 मिनट की ग्रुप डिस्कशन में हो, मेक श्योर कि आपकी बॉडी का मूवमेंट हो, बट इतना ना हो कि वो मतलब आप बॉडी मूवमेंट में ही ध्यान दो। पैर थोड़ा सा जैसे अभी ऐसे हैं, थोड़ा सा एक पीछे कर दिया, फिर उसको आगे रख दिया। दिस शोज कि यू आर कंफर्टेबल, एंड अंटिल यू आर कंफर्टेबल यू कैन नॉट पार्टिसिपेट इन द ग्रुप डिस्कशन वेल। ठीक है? सो मेक श्योर कि लेग आपकी, और लेग शेकिंग की बात क्या होती है? This shows your nervousness, not this. आगे पीछे कर सकते हो, but not this. ठीक है? Okay. अब आता है hand movement. Hand movement is very important when you're talking. ठीक है? Again, I would say gesture wise you all did well, but जब आपके पास ये चेयर होती है, जिसपे आप एक साइड हाथ ऊपर रख सकते हो, make sure कि आपका एक हाथ ऊपर हो। So yes, ठीक है? All the time your both hands were here, which was really good to see. I like that you can control yourself. ठीक है? 10 मिनट के डिस्कशन में, but make sure कि जब आपके पास ये वाली चेयर है, जिसपे आप एक हाथ रखने का ऑप्शन है, तो आपका एक हाथ इसके ऊपर हो और एक हाथ आपके थाई पे हो। ठीक है? और फिलहाल आपने नहीं करा है, बट मैं फिर भी बता देता हूँ, कभी भी यूं मत हो चेयर पे, सिट स्ट्रेट। ठीक है? स्ट्रेट बैठे होते हुए आप पीछे जा सकते हो, लेकिन आगे की तरफ मत जाओ। वो बहुत ही ज्यादा कैजुअल बिहेवियर दिखा देता है। आप लोगों ने नहीं करा है, which is a plus point already, but I'm telling you. कंक्लूजन की बात करते हैं। जब आप कोई भी टॉपिक कंक्लूड करते हो ना, तो फिलहाल तो आपने सभी को ऑप्शन दिया था, बिकॉज ऑफ कोर्स इट्स अ क्लास और अभी आप सीख रहे हो। जब आप एक फॉर्मल इंटरव्यू में बैठे होगे एंड यू आर हैविंग दिस ग्रुप डिस्कशन, जब भी आप कंक्लूजन करते हैं, ठीक है, स्टार्ट विद थैंक यू द वे ऋतिक स्टार्ट। बट ऋतिक का थैंक जो था, जो अप्रिशिएट वर्ड था ऋतिक का, आई वाज रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड ऋतिक दैट यू वुड अप्रिशिएट दिस ग्रुप, बट यू सेड आई अप्रिशिएट, देन यू वेंट टू गवर्नमेंट, राइट? आई एम राइट? है ना? यू सेड आई अप्रिशिएट द वर्क गवर्नमेंट हैज डन। कभी भी आप जीडी का टॉपिक कंक्लूड करेंगे, थैंक दिस ग्रुप। Thank you, my friends. I appreciate the discussion we had. I appreciate everyone has given their valuable point. Right? So, conclusion में हमेशा याद रखना that you first of all appreciate the discussion whenever you conclude, and that's really important. And that shows that all over the discussion, you were not only prepared for your own point, but you also heard every single person. ठीक है? अच्छा, अब कंक्लूजन पे मैं पहुंच गया था, लेकिन सबसे कंक्लूजन से भी पहले आता कंटेंट। जब भी आप ग्रुप डिस्कशन करते हैं, ठीक है, सो इफ आई टॉक अबाउट वन बाय वन कंटेंट वेयर आई फाउंड बिट ऑफ पीसेस गोइंग हियर एंड देयर, तो जब भी आप किसी डिस्कशन पे जाते हैं, यू कैन नॉट इम्प्रेस एनीवन until you know more about it or until you know in detail about it. You cannot impress. ठीक है, आपका पॉइंट कोई नहीं सुन रहा है, या अगर आपके पॉइंट में दम नहीं है इन अ वे। अगर कंटेंट की मैं बात करूं, हर्ष का कंटेंट बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग था। हर्ष, इट वाज रियली गुड कंटेंट दैट यू हैड एंड इट मेड एवरीवन लिसन दैट। ठीक है, उसके बाद अगर मैं कंटेंट की बात करूं, ऋतिक कंटेंट वाइज यू वर गुड। बलराम, you were fantastic content wise. You had the maximum number of opportunities to speak, which was good. हाँ, उसके बाद आते हैं श्याम। श्याम is श्याम, bit of content बेटा, your content was good, still good. Don't feel कि your content बलराम और ऋतिक के comparison नीचे गया है, that doesn't mean कि your content was not good. It was definitely good. Excel it up. ठीक है? And then Arpit का expression was good. I saw, मुझे नहीं पता अगर मैंने आपका expression, I don't think मैंने किसी का miss करा है, but Arpit का expression was good. You need to have smile on your face. That shows कि you are comfortable. ठीक है? So expression wise you were good Arpit, but then the only mistake that you did, you bent थोड़ा सा। ठीक है, वो बेंडिंग नहीं होनी है। और आपका जो था what did I write? मैं writing execution, what is that? हाँ, कंटेंट में you are equal to your name अनिकेत, you are equal to अनिकेत। आप दोनों को कंटेंट is good but you need to excel it up again। ठीक है, श्याम नहीं, सुयश man, your content was amazing, so keep it up, huh? Your content was great and your conclusion was also good. Then we have Shadab, you need to build work on your eye contact। अच्छा, eye contact पे मैं बाद में आऊंगा because that's main topic, I'll talk about it। content was good, ठीक है। Then we have Aryan, you need to work on content बेटा। ठीक है, you speak well and you spoke well, but it was something कि मैं expect करता था और सुनूं मैं आप, but you stopped, right? So you need to work on content। And then we have overall participation, can I have done the conclusion? Your name sir? Harshit, your content was good, ठीक है। You just need to polish it. I won't say excel it, but polish it। Polish का मतलब पता है क्या होता है? You don't need to excel it, जो है उसी को polish करना है, उसी को shine करना है, ठीक है। Did I leave anyone? Content में हर्ष का I covered everyone, right? Yes, for the content। अब eye contact की बात करते हैं। eye contact सबका अच्छा था, ठीक है। The only thing you guys need to make sure to do is कि जब भी होता क्या है, बहुत ही ह्यूमन है, और तभी मैंने आपसे कैजुअल डिस्कशन करवाया था बिकॉज वो ह्यूमननेस दिखनी चाहिए। यू आर नॉट रोबोट्स, ठीक है। यू नीड टू शो योर ह्यूमननेस, सो इट इज वेरी ह्यूमन दैट व्हेन यू स्टार्ट टॉकिंग यू फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फेस योर पर्सन ऑपोजिट सिटिंग टू यू, राइट। बहुत ज्यादा इफ यू रियली आर स्मार्ट इनफ देन यू कैन गो हियर एंड हियर, राइट। तो दैट्स वेरी ह्यूमन एंड you guys did it। make it more human and make it more human बोले तो you start from here but make sure your eye contact goes to every single person, ठीक है। if I'm here I'll start talking to her, Ritik and Balram, but I will make sure I move my neck like this, okay। That is अब move my neck का मतलब ये नहीं कि आप ये move करने लग जाओ, बात करते करते थोड़ा सा नॉडिंग करते करते हैंड मूवमेंट करते करते to Suyesh, if Arpit is talking to Suyesh, and then to Harshit, and then to Sir, ठीक है, like that. But make sure कि आपका eye contact चाहे वो आप 30 seconds की लाइन बोले, जैसे कि आर्यन 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 का था, but उस 30 seconds में भी you contacted with everyone, ठीक है? तो eye contact पे you all need to focus a bit, ठीक है? Clear ना? Okay. So that is overall my feedback. One thing I especially mentioned somewhere, overall participation. Overall participation was fantastic. And इसी वजह से at last I got you guys clap for each other. Yeah, you can clap once again. So overall participation was great and I really liked. Okay, so that's how I'm done with the feedback of the group discussion. If you want me to announce top 5 right now,
Sure.
yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, so guys, one thing I'll tell you very clearly. कभी भी, देखो, there are two factors in life. Appreciation works the best. अगर आपको कोई appreciate करता है, nothing is better than that, right? If you're appreciating me ना, मेरे लिए वो अच्छा होगा, भले ही मैं बहुत ज्यादा अपने आप को बहुत ही ज्यादा फिलोसोफर बोल के ये बोल दूं, नहीं मेरी कोई कमी बताओ so that I can improve, लेकिन आप जब कमी बताओगे ना मुझे चुभेगी, ये बहुत फैक्ट है, राइट? तो appreciation works the best, but again depreciation, if somebody is coming to you say that you need to work on your dressing sense, you need to work on your grooming, you need to work on your hairstyle, वो थोड़ी देर के लिए पिंच करता है, but I'll tell you that is the point where you start working further. Never ever take depreciation more than a minute. मोर देन अ मिनट बोले तो किसी ने कुछ बोला है जो उसका एक पूरा इम्पैक्ट होता है ना, उस 1 मिनट से ज्यादा हावी मत होने, उसके बाद उस पर काम करना शुरू करो, ठीक है? दैट इज हाउ डेप्रिसिएशन वर्क्स. तो अभी आई एम आस्क्ड टू अनाउंस टॉप 5, जो मुझे बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लग रहा करना, बट आई एम आस्क्ड टू डू दैट. आई एम गोइंग टू अनाउंस टॉप 5, बट जो भी बाकी के स्टूडेंट्स हैं दे नीड टू से it's a challenge, and next time when I come again here, rest of you who are not in top 5 list right now will become top 5. Okay, are we good with this? And I want everyone to smile when I announce top 5, and I want everyone to clap. So the first name is, okay, it's written. Second is Balram. Third is Harsh. Fourth is Aniket. And fifth is Suyash. So we have these top 5 out of this group discussion. You guys have done a great job and you deserve to be in top 5. And rest of you, take it as a challenge. You have done amazing job to here today. Work it further and see where did you lag. You can contact me offline. Where did you lag and to improve that. But overall participation was amazing. Okay? Good luck. Thank you. So I'm done with top 5.